Welcome to Smartphone Made Easy. In this video, I will show you how to get walking directions on Google Maps. Whether you are exploring a new city, walking to a stadium, or simply trying not to get lost, Google Maps can guide you step by step. I will also share 2 useful tips as well. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on the location services on your phone. If you are using an Android phone, open the Setting app. Swipe down and tap Location. On the next page, turn on the location service. If you are using an iPhone, open the Settings app. Swipe down. Tap Privacy and Security. On the next page, tap here. Turn on the location service. That's it. Step 2. Open the Google Maps app. Tap the search bar at the top. Type the name of the place you want to go. It could be a cafe, a train station, a park, or simply an address. Now, I type the Villa Park store and tap the correct result. Step 3. Tap Directions. By default, Google Maps may show driving directions. To switch to walking directions, tap the walking icon. It looks like a person walking. Then, Google Maps will calculate the best walking route. You will see the estimated walking time, the total distance, and sometimes more than one route. Swipe up to see the route details. Step 4. Tap Start. Navigation will begin immediately. The blue line shows your walking route. The blue arrow represents your current location. As you walk, Google Maps updates your position in real time and tell you when to turn. You can also listen to voice directions, so you don't have to keep looking at your phone. Remember, pay attention to your surroundings instead of looking at your screen all the time. If you're in a city with supported features, you may also see Live View. Tap Live View button. Point your phone's camera at nearby buildings, and Google Maps will place arrows on the screen to guide you. This is very useful when you are not sure which way to start walking. When you arrive at your destination, Google Maps may stop automatically. Useful tips. Number 1. If you can't see the blue arrow or route while walking, tap the Recenter button and you will see the arrow and the route again. Number 2. Google Maps can show wheelchair accessible routes in some areas. This is useful if you use a wheelchair, push a stroller, or want to avoid stairs. To use it, type your destination and tap Directions. Switch to walking directions. Tap the Trip Options icon here. Then turn on Wheelchair Accessible and tap the X button to go back. Google Maps will try to show step-free routes with ramps or lifts. Please note that this feature is not available everywhere. Now, you can get walking directions on Google Maps. It's quick, easy, and helps you reach your destination with confidence. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.